Ladies of love, peace, health, happiness, and prosperity. Hello, everyone. Hello, ladies. I know you all are probably thinking like, oh my God, Dr. Keela hasn't uploaded here in so long. I am not abandoning this channel. I know this channel is practically dead. With all these subscribers, I don't have access to probably 95% of them. But I'm going to be here. I was thinking about starting a new channel because I have my own wellness center now, a business here, and it's no longer under Celestial Healing, but I'll talk about that in due time. So I was thinking about like starting a new channel, but I was like, why? I mean, so many people remember this channel, and I don't know. I don't think I will, but I mean, I could. Who knows? Anyway, I just want to let you all know that as always, we have our yearly juice fast that's coming up on March the 9th. Okay. And so I need to shrink this. Hold on a second. Let me see if I can shrink this for you all so you can see the entire calendar. There we go. So it's going to be on, it's going to start on March the 9th. As you can see, March the 2nd is my birthday. So I think that's great because I can like chow down. Y'all know I don't follow any rules on my birthday. So I'm going to eat whatever I want on, well, I'm not eating any, beef or anything like that or chicken. But anyway, I'm just going to like do a lot, probably like a tiramisu or something. But anyway, I'm going to do what I want to do on March the 2nd. But those of you who wish to do the juice fast, this is the time to start getting meat out of your diet. Now, I'm not going to do what I did last year for this channel. I'm not going to constantly come on the channel and give you guys a heads up and a talk and everything like that. I still have my round table that's still going strong. I know, remember the reason I created it was because of the whole COVID thing and the censorship. And I did what I had to do. I made sure that nobody got it. I was successful in doing that. And I decided to not let it go. So instead of just coming here on this channel and constantly like talking to you all in reference to you doing a juice fast, because how do I know if you all decided that you wanted to do the juice fast? You probably didn't want to do one. But if you're interested, you could just have to join my roundtable. I will have the link available in the description box below if you're interested in joining us, even if it's just for the support system for our yearly juice fast. So it's a 21-day juice fast. Okay. So the first day starts on March the 9th. Then the last day, which is the day you break your fast, is on March the 30th. Now, I'm going to tell you why this is very important, because January the 1st is not the day to start making new, I guess you could say, goals. It's not to do the New Year's resolution. That's in the dead of winter. We're going to have spring, which starts on the 20th or the 21st, I do believe. And this is a form of spring cleaning. Now, if you all noticed the last year, I was here on the channel to walk you all through it. I'm not going to do that. I'm only going to do that in the round table like I've been doing. We've been going strong for what, 4 years, I think it's been. And so it's still going strong. So if you're interested, like I said, the link is available in the description box. But if you're also just interested in joining us specifically for the juice fast, and you only want to do it for just this month and then that's it, then you can do that too. It's all up to you. So I just want to let you all know that if you're going to do the 21 day, and you don't have to do 21 days, you can do like 3 days minimum, 21 days max. Well, some people do 30 days. I did 30 days. I think did I do 30 days last year or the year before that? I'm not so sure, but I think I did do 30 days because I was on cloud nine. It was such a high, I swear. So I was really enjoying myself. So I'm going to do that. But anyway, if you're interested, you could do a minimum 3 days. You could do 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, 21 days. And if you are a pro, you could do 30 days. However, I am only going to guide you through the 9th through the 30th. And we teach you how to properly break the fast. We give you some recipes, some smoothies, some juices. Also, I'm going to enter in some liquid broth, not the kind from the cow, maybe some a vegetable broth or something like that. And those of you who are pescatarians, like a seafood broth, but it's just the liquid. It has no meat in it whatsoever. It's strictly a liquid diet for those of you who are who have some nutritional deficiencies. So once again, it is that. There you have it. So I'll do another video reminding you again that we're going to start. I'll probably do it either next week or the week before. I will just let you guys know when we're going to go ahead and get started. So this is going to probably be the first of the second video. Just remind you, and then I'm just going to go dark and enjoy the 3-week fast. I may be back this month on March. I may not, we'll see. But I have not left the channel. I'm still here and we're still going strong. If you have any questions, leave your questions below this video in the comment section and I'll get right back to you, okay? All right. I look forward to seeing you all next time. Peace and blessings.